Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vivek and today we will be learning JavaScript Array with challenge. I will cover 8 topics in this series. What is an array? Add and remove elements, spread operator, use for loop, useful array method, multi-dimensional array, and a challenge. By the end of this course, you will be confident building programs using JavaScript arrays. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with the latest videos. Now, let's get started with our first topic. What is an array? It is a special variable that can hold multiple values at once. It can hold values of any types including number, string, boolean, and so on. Each value in an array is called an element, and each element has a numeric index starting from 0. Let's check how we can create an array. First, we need a variable, let's say fruit for example, and we need to assign them to a square bracket. Inside the square bracket, we can add any data types. I have added strings like apple, banana, and cherry. After creating an array, we need to access the element. In order to access them, we have to keep in mind that each element starts with an index number 0. So apple has index number 0, banana has index number 1, and cherry has index number 2. To access the element, we have to use fruit, and inside the square bracket, we need to add an index number. The first statement has index number 0, so it will log apple in the console. Likewise, the second statement has index number 1, so it will log banana. And finally, the third statement has index number 2, so it will log cherry. Now, let's see them in action. I have index.html and script.js. In index.html, I have a script tag with a link to script.js. So I will be adding all my JavaScript under script.js. Now let's create an array. So let me create a variable and assign them to a square bracket. Inside the square bracket, I will add the name of the fruits. Now in order to access them, I will use console.log fruits, and inside the square bracket, I need to add the index number. If you want to log apple in the console, it has the index number 0. So let me add 0 over here. And to check the preview, you can open the DevTool, open console, and you can see apple over here. Likewise, if you want to log banana, it has got index number 1. So add 1 over here, and you can see banana in the console. Now let's see what happened if you want to access the element that is not defined. Let's say 15. If you check the console, it shows undefined because the element is not yet defined. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will add elements to an array. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.